Hello, I'm Neil Whittaker. For years, I've worked with the design and building industries as an editor, interior design expert, and TV judge, uncompromising in my commitment to elegance, aesthetics, and great design. I understand our homes should be a sanctuary and a canvas for self-expression. As part of our property on the New South Wales South Coast, my partner and I built our guest house. The true hero of that build is the striking horizontal lines of strier cladding by James Hardie. Beyond their exterior cladding solutions, James Hardie's commitment to great design goes way further. James Hardie commissioned an extensive study into the direction of modern home design in Australia and New Zealand. The James Hardie Modern Homes Forecast is the result of this unprecedented research into what is really driving the contemporary home landscape now and into the future. Research on architectural features and interior and exterior modern home trends was gathered from thousands of individual sources. This wealth of information was used to identify 7 home styles designed to suit our modern lives. Each home perfectly articulates the way we want to live in this unique part of the world. The 7 homes include popular styles like box modern and modern coastal, as well as enduring styles like modern heritage and mid-century modern, and the rapidly emerging barn, modern farmhouse, and Japandi homes. In addition to the Modern Homes Forecast, James Hardie has created a series of 7 design handbooks in collaboration with leading design professionals whose aesthetic is perfectly matched to each style. These handbooks have been created to save you time in achieving your dream home vision. Together, the James Hardie Modern Homes Forecast and Design Handbooks will show you that with great advice, support and inspiration, it's possible to build a house that you're truly proud to come home to. It's time to build your modern life. It's possible with James Hardie.